pleasant parade. It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our poetry.
Yep. No.
Why, when he was a young warthog, when I was a young warthog, very nice. He found his aroma like the certain of field. He could clear the savannah after every meal. A sensitive soul, though I think it's skin. And at first, my friends never stood down the wind. And now the shame. My day. The day I got down on it. Trying to feel every time. That's what it is. What a wonderful breeze. Ain't no sad and free.
Ain't no worries for the rest of the day.
It's our poetry. There was a man,
Hey, I'm going to